Productivity, we have a highly specialized and dedicated team of engineers to help you bring products to market faster. We recognize that machining technologies have become more complex and sophisticated. We also understand that your time is valuable and we all need to do more with less. Whether it's a lack of time or engineering resources, or you just don't know where to start, Productivity Engineering Services will work with you to fully comprehend your unique needs and present you with a customized engineering solution. Whatever industry you're manufacturing parts for, our goal is to simplify your processes. We will help you save on manufacturing costs and solve your most difficult production challenges. As a single-source supplier, we also have access to all products and services necessary to get the job done in-house, accurate, and on time. A turnkey partnership with Productivity includes a team of experts that will work in collaboration with your team to perform project assessment, establish goals and timelines, determine resource allocations, and establish budget limits. Our engineers will pick out premium tooling, work holding, set up the turnkey in our facility, program the system, process the parts to your specifications, then perform a final runoff before bringing it to your shop for final install. During this process, you can expect continued real-time back and forth communication to ensure adequate and on-time delivery. For less complex projects, Productivity also offers engineering assistance. Working in partnership with the customer, Productivity can quote services based on agreed-upon guidelines. These engineering services include programming, process improvement, cycle time optimization, work holding evaluation, and custom training classes based on your requirements. Whatever your engineering needs, Productivity can help. We offer more than 150 annual, regularly scheduled training sessions here at Productivity, as well as customized training like intermediate Swiss and custom macro programming. In these hands-on classes, we teach your machinists how to efficiently operate, set up, and program your new machine tools. Since 1968, Productivity has performed thousands of turnkeys in hundreds of industries, from small shops to large manufacturing facilities. You can count on Productivity Engineering Services to meet or exceed your delivery deadlines the first time. Contact us today to discuss how we can help with any of your engineering needs.